Hey y'all, I'm finna show y'all how I'm about to make us some quick little sub sandwiches. This is gonna be dinner for us tonight. So what I got is some onions. Welcome to all my new family members, and welcome back to all my old family members, y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe to your girl channel one time for the one time. Please don't forget to ring the doorbell one time for the one time for your girl. Please don't. Okay. But listen, y'all, we just gonna get to making these sandwiches, okay? The light might not be that good, but I apologize. So the ingredients that I have is, let me show you the bread that I got. I got this the white sub rolls fresh baked bread. Honey, it's so soft, y'all. I showed y'all that when I bought it. The bread is so whoo, child, honey, so soft. Y'all know I'm a sucker for soft bread. So for grandma's sandwich and my sandwich, we gonna have mayonnaise. Okay. Yes. My husband, he's not gonna have mayonnaise. He's gonna have barbecue sauce on his. But you know, mine's gonna be all the way out. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go all the way out on mine because grandma don't like all the stuff that I like. You know, she don't like cheese. She don't want no mustard. And she don't want no tomato. She'll take some onion, but she don't want no tomato and all that stuff right there. So, gonna do that there. Like so. And making sure that I put mayonnaise. Listen, don't nobody want no dry sandwich. So make sure you take that mayonnaise and go all the way to the edges of your bread. All the way to the edges. Like that. Okay. I'm going to take a little bit more going on. Right there. Like that there. Like that right there. Honey, boo boo. Okay. So now, I got some mustard, oregano, barbecue sauce for bay, Italian dressing, jalapenos, and Parmesan cheese, tomato, onions. I got ham, salami, and bologna. I don't want bologna, but grandma like bologna. I got some Munster cheese and some Kobe Monterey Jack cheese. And last but not least, HEYY does, okay? Yes. Oh, and lettuce. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead on and layer mine and my husband with cheese, but I'm going to go ahead on and stick his in the microwave because I know him. Once I put my put his cheese and stuff on his, he going to want it melted. So I'm going to put the two kind of cheese on mine. But I'm putting my cheese on both sides of the bread. I'm putting that Kobe Monterey Jack on one side and the Monster on the other. Like that. Oh, I forgot to put my mustard. That's alright. I'll just put it on there just like that. Bam. I like to put it on the bread and smash the bread together, but it's gonna be alright. Okay, so for basil, put him some barbecue sauce on his. And I got the Calamus, Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. Well, dang, the cap don't want to go on or something. Okay. So, then I'm going to get his cheese and his meat on there. Well, once I get his meat, then I'm going to stick his in the microwave because he going to want his warmed up, like I said. So, I'm going to get his cheese right there. And I'm going to put some cheese right there on that side too. Okay? So now, We're going in with a salami. And I'm going to just take the salami and I'm going to cut it in half. Okay? So, I'm going just like that with the salami. I'm not going to put that much salami on Grandma's because she probably going to be able to taste it. But I'm going to layer it. I'm going to layer my meat. Like that, like that, honey, yes. We like meat on our sandwiches, honey. We don't want no plain old sandwich. We want some meat on that bad boy. Okay. So now I'm going to go in here with another piece of salami. Another piece of salami right there. Like that. And then put him another piece of ham. Like that. Another piece of ham. Okay. Now, get Grandma a piece of bologna and go now with her bologna like that. Like so. Okay. So now we got the meat. We're gonna take the heads and put it in the microwave. I'm gonna just take my cheese, his cheese, and lay it on top of the meat. Put it in here for about 10 seconds. Alright, so now moving on to this masterpiece. On mine, I'm gonna take me some tomatoes and I'm just gonna lay them across there like that. I'm gonna take some onions on top of it as well. Some onions on top of Grandma's. That was 30 seconds, long enough. It took knocked the chill off of it. He wanted any more warmed up, he gonna have to do it himself. Cause I hate for him to be like, this bread hard. I don't like no hard bread. I like my bread soft. And if it was him, he would have rather it toasted. But I didn't toast it either. Okay, so we're going on that bad boy with them onions like that. Okay. And so now we're gonna take some. Let me go ahead on and put my jalapeno peppers on mine. I think these here is pickled. I had it on there a time before, but I didn't taste them like that. So I'm putting a little bit more on there this time. Okay. So now I'm gonna hit this bad boy with some HEYY dust. All of them. Hit it with the HEYY dust. Now this here over here is a sub. Okay, this one right here is a sub. Okay, hit that bad boy with that oregano. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna go on with some lettuce. Lettuce on all of them. I like the taste of lettuce. Okay, so now we got that established. This here sub here, finna be so good, y'all. Okay, so now we got to season up the lettuce. So we're gonna go on top of it with some more HEYY dust, like that. Then we're gonna go on top of that with some more oregano. If y'all haven't tried oregano on your sub, honey, you don't know what you're missing. Parmesan cheese on mine and my husband's. Like that. And then the Italian dressing. And this what sets it off right here. The Italian dressing. Not too much, but just get you some on there. You ain't trying to soak your bread or nothing. But honey, get you some on there to season. Okay? To season those vegetables that's on it. So we're gonna close it. Close him right here, Close him on up, okay? Then we're gonna cut through that bad boy. Just like that. And look at that there. Y'all look at that there. Hopefully it ain't too dark. Okay. Close him on up. Okay. Look at that one there with the barbecue sauce on it. Don't it look scrumptious? I don't know what it tastes like with the barbecue sauce now, but my husband, he like it. Okay, so now we're gonna get this one here on closed on up right there, like that there. How you do that there? Get your behind on that up there. Yeah. Now this one here is gonna be beautiful. Look at this here. Just look at it. Look at that though. All that goodness. Yes, honey. Y'all better learn how to eat. Alright, y'all. So this is my subs. Until next time, peace, love, minimum blessings to each and every one of you guys. I love y'all. Y'all have a good one.